Hey everyone, and my name is Brian, and in today's video, we're going to be doing an Easy OS 2.0 tour with you guys. So yes, my name is Brian B., creator of Easy OS, and I'm going to be showing you guys what's new in Easy OS 2. Now, Easy OS 1 was pretty much ridiculous compared to Easy OS 2. Easy OS 2 has went up in megabytes. So that means that there's many new apps and many new features. That's good. That's not bad. So let's go ahead and get into today's Easy OS tour. Now keep in mind that I'm showing you this on a pre-release base, so it might not be the final version. Yours might look a little different, it might be tweaked, colors might be different, maybe the dock instead of being blue might be black. It all depends on what I change. This is beta 6. After beta 9 is actually the GM, so we're almost at the GM. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Now, by just looking at it, whoa, hold on. It's not full screen. I got just too many complaints about the full screen. You guys were saying that if it was full screen, what was happening was that it was too big, and what ended up happening to it was that, yes, you guessed it, it did not fit all monitors. Some monitors are too big for it, some monitors are too small. The current size that I have set fits almost any monitor, and it works just perfectly. So let's go ahead and show you guys just the few new applications and, of course, the new start menu. Let's start with all the new start menu features. If you click start menu, whoa, is that a lot of things that just popped up. Yes, that is right, though. We are bringing in tiles, sort of like Windows 8 and 8.1, into Easy OS. Now, this is, to me, a lot nicer than our old mini start menu that we actually still do have. Right here. That was the original start menu. And the reason we do still have it in here is because there's more features. Like, there's extra features in here. We're not going to be going through those. Those you can probably figure out by yourself. So, we're not going to be going through those. So, anyway, back though to the start menu. We have a new internet browser called Internet True. Quick Google searches can be done just by clicking on Google. And by going to YouTube, just go ahead and click YouTube. And it should load. There you go. And to close out of this little quick search that just popped up here, just go ahead and click this little thing right here. And bingo, it disappears. So let's go ahead and type in a quick search here. Let's just say Apple. And bingo, look at what it just did. It just searched Google for it. And by the way, that message that popped up was actually just my Wi-Fi. So that should not happen to you. See, that's my Wi-Fi. And if we go apple.com and click URL, it will take us right to the website. How do you guys like that? Now, this is a mobile optimized version of the site, because you see what happens is this is a small window, and if we were to put the full version of the site, it would just be really bad. So I decided to make mainly all the sites mobile optimized. So again, you can either close it by clicking this little button right here, or by deleting the text inside of the quick search box, and bingo, it disappears. Next, you have a settings icon. This is actually where you can look for updates, get help, go to the release notes, and of course, go to the info, or in other words, about. So next up, we also have the notepad. It has not received a lot of updates, except there is a new font that we added. As you can tell, a lot better than before. Same way about saving the notes. If you go ahead and click blue, it saves the note, and whenever you open it up again, it's still there. So we can go ahead and close out of that. This will delete it. This saves it until you shut the application down. So let's go ahead and quit it, though. And again, you can still quick search by typing in this little quick search box, as you can see. So we can, though, go ahead and just delete, no, dang it, my typing skills. We can go ahead and just delete it. Now, you'll see a notification pop up. This is just because we did add this, so it's a new feature, so it's going to be giving you a notification every single time you clear this text box, only in the first version. A few months after, we're going to be releasing a beta, or a final 2.1 to get rid of this, or maybe even a few weeks after. It's just saying, try typing in the box to do a quick search. So go ahead and click dismiss there if you ever get that. Next, we have a new internet browser. Wow, is it nicer? I don't even like the other one now. We'll be demoing this a little later in a different video. Now, we also do have a calendar. Oh my gosh, I changed a lot of things. It shows a whole, year view. You can also zoom out by just pinching. And there you go. And you can zoom in again just by pinching or just by clicking in. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's come here into December. And I can see that my birthday is December 23rd. So then that falls on a Monday in 2019. Isn't that just so useful? So another thing is that we added this over here to the desktop. You can click YouTube and it takes you over to youtube.com. And you can click on Google, and it'll take you to google.com. Now, okay, what is this? Open in web browser. What is that? This is actually a quick search window. So if you go ahead and click open in web browser, the web browser will open that page that you are viewing. We can go ahead and close out of that for now. So if we click go to desktop 2, right here, it will take us to a different workspace. And the point of this is this, ready? So let's say you're conducting a quick search here. But you don't want to lose that, but you want to conduct another quick search. Go over here to go to desktop 2 and type in your other quick search. And bingo, it actually searches it here. And you can go back to desktop 1 and bingo, there it is. And go back to desktop 2 and there's your other quick search. So you can do many things. It's a great new feature that we've added. We call it task views. So again, that's called task views. And I'll show you more in depth about choosing the view that you want here in a second. So let's go to the start menu. And the way that you'll check for updates is just by clicking update. And it says you are up to date right now. If you go media player, you can now play movies, videos, and more in this. Just by clicking the little load button, you select your video or song that you want. Due to copyright purposes, I will not be doing that. If we come to the start menu and we go over here to weather, it will tell us our weather. There we go. So I can come over here and click OK. And that's again my Wi-Fi. You should not get that. There we go. It says thunderstorms. Right now 89 degrees. There we go. We can go ahead and close out of that. And if we come over here to news, this is a brand new application. It is a great application. It brings your headlines of news. And you can also get your favorite topic headlines. Now, again, this is in beta, so everything's not out. Currently, we have sports and tech, so you can come over here to sports, and you can read all about your favorite sports right there. And you can come over here to tech, and you can read all about tech. Now, there's going to be more, of course, more topics, like, I don't know, just a lot more things. But right now, we have the top headlines are on the homepage the minute that you open it, so you can be having coffee reading the latest headlines of the news. How nice is that? And whenever a big event is hitting, or let's say someone's coming to a concert that everyone likes, we'll upload this website. So if we go ahead, come over here to the down arrow, and we click help, it will bring up the thing that I'm currently filming. And if we click over here, workspaces, you can select the workspace that you want. That's what we call that, workspaces. So remember, desktop 1, desktop 2, you can select right from here. So let's just say desktop 2. Now, there's another thing I want to quickly demo for you guys. So let me show you this, because this is a big bug, or not a bug, but it needs to, like, you guys just need to know how to, get your way around it. If we go ahead and click web, and we click on the desktop, bingo, web disappears. There's two ways of fixing this. Number one is to hover your mouse over the EasyOS icon, and click the web. There's one way. And the other way to do it, remember, it is still right here, so it's still open. The other way to do it is to come over here to the start menu, go down to more, click close all apps, and it says all apps have been closed. Okay. Choose desktop 1, and now it is not open, and it will reopen. Now, why do you need to do this? The reason is because if you click on the desktop, the web will not reappear. The only way that you can save it without clicking on the desktop, or in other words, hide this, in other words, is just by clicking the blue button. Do not click the red if you want to save what you're working on. The blue button is actually to save what you're working on. It just minimizes it, and it will reopen. But the red button completely closes it, and it will reload whatever the home page that you have set is. So if you click home, that the reason that Google got brought up is because I have Google set as the default homepage, but you can change your homepage also by clicking preferences and changing your homepage right there. Great features, guys. Back, we have a forward. I'm not really going to go in depth with the web browser because that's going to be in a different video. You know what? That's pretty much it, though, guys, because I don't want to make you guys be watching this forever. We do, of course, have visit our homepage right from there, so you can catch any great news that we release. You can also come over here to Internet True, and this is our new internet browser. This is in full screen, as you can tell. It's a lot better than any other internet browser that we've made so far because it's just more stable. It supports Flash and all those. All the web browsers in this do, and that's the nice thing about them. So that's pretty much it. Now, quickly, how do we close out of this application? Just click Start and click here. Now, oh, wait, before I end, let me show you this great new feature. It's called Sleep. If we click it, it says, it like minimizes the whole thing. You'll see that there's nothing open except for this thing that says, what do you want to do next? So, soon I'm going to add a minimize option, and it's just going to go and you'll have to click on the EasyOS icon to bring this window back up. But, you know, what this does is it's not running, it's not breaking up your CPU. It's just a window and a dialog that's saying, what do you want to do next? You notice I did not do any colors, because otherwise that might use a little bit of CPU. The point of this is so that you can go about your day on Windows without, you know, shutting or quitting this application, but it's still open. And then the way that you would open it up again is just click wake up, and bingo, it's back. So, you know, also we do have help available here, and I had to write a huge detailed thing about help. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So the way that you quit it is to click start and click shut down. And if you want to close this menu, just click cancel. But I'm just going to go ahead and shut down. And now it says EasyOS, see you next time. And now that reason that you actually have to wait is because it's making sure that everything is closed. And if it's not, it's closing it. Well, that pretty much sums it up, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, this is me, Brian. No, dang it. This is me, Brian, with EasyOS video, EasyOS 2.0 tour with Brian B. My name is Brian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.